The storm over northern Alaska was the kind that swallowed sound, sky, and sanity. Captain Elias Ward pushed through it in a military snow carrier, its lights cutting a thin path through the white madness. Even through the storm's roar, Elias couldn't ignore the eerie blinking lights of FrostPoint Lab ahead, flickering, dimming, then glowing again as if the building itself had a heartbeat. Dr. Isla Mercer sat beside him, hugging her research tablet close to her chest. Her glasses fogged slightly each time she exhaled. "The power grid's unstable," she muttered. "It's like something is pulling energy from the inside." Elias scanned the horizon, or someone. When they finally reached the base, a frozen silence greeted them. The main gate was half buried in snow, its metal twisted outward, not broken by force, but warped, as if heated from the inside and reshaped like soft clay before freezing again. Even Elias, hardened by years of combat, felt his stomach tighten. Inside the lab's main hallway, every fluorescent light flickered in slow, unnatural pulses. The shadows seemed thicker than normal, too dark. Elias's boots echoed sharply, but Ila's steps were swallowed by the heavy silence. "Something's wrong with the thermal readings," she whispered, staring at her scanner. "The air here is colder than the outside storm." "That's not possible." They reached the main research chamber. Elias froze. The reinforced glass holding the ancient ice core, the one extracted from 3 miles beneath the glacier, was shattered outward. Shards lay scattered across the floor. Frost spread across the walls in vein-like patterns that didn't look natural. They looked almost alive. A long, thin handprint to longwise imprinted on the steel table. Then the temperature dropped instantly. Their breath turned thick and white. Elias slowly turned toward the corridor behind them. A tall, translucent figure stood there motionless, silent. The creature's icy blue cracks pulsed like a heartbeat. Isla's voice broke into a whisper. "That's impossible. It shouldn't be sentient." The creature tilted its head. The frost beneath it spread across the floor like a living shadow. The lights dimmed, the temperature plummeted again. Then, in a voice made of wind scraping through frozen metal, it whispered, "Release the others." Elias grabbed Ila's arm. "Run." The lights exploded and the shadows moved. Subscribe for part 2.